Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you a base and top coat can also add a professional touch to your nail art. A base coat will preserve your natural nail and create smooth canvas to work on. While the top coat seals on your design, they are sold under many different brands and range from straightening and non-staining types. It's good to use both a base coat and a top coat since they give both your natural nail and your nails are the best possible protection against stains and chips. After you have prepared your nail, the first nail polish you should paint onto them is the base coat. Base coat fill in lines and cracks on your nails so your nails color has an even surface to adhere to. This will not only make your manicure last longer but will also provide a barrier that prevent dark color from staining your natural nail, while any clear base coat will do the trick. You might want to consider investing in a formula fortified with protein, vitamin E, and or calcium, as this element replenish the nutrients and moisture in your nails and prevent damage like splitting or peeling. Like the base coat, a top coat polish is a clear protective polish applied after your nail art is complete. The top coat seals in your design and prevent the color from fading. It's also adds shine to the look, and when it is replied during the week, it will help prevent chipping when applying a top coat. Make sure to paint underneath your tips as well, since this make the manicure last much longer. If you like video, please share and